Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to customize home screen on a Motorola Moto G87. First, long press on your home screen and go into wallpaper. Here you can choose from your photos that you have taken. Dynamic, you can download already pre-made wallpapers. You can set it as home screen, lock screen, and both. You can also go into curated images and change the color to match your wallpaper more. Then you can go into Personalize and choose from themes already made. Or you can create your own custom theme. Next thing you can do is change up the font. Change the icon shape. You can change the display size and text to make everything bigger or smaller. You can have a bold text or outline it for better visibility. You can change the layout of the grid. You can even change the fingerprint animation. And, of course, dark or light mode. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.